Why Francisco's Automotive when it comes to an Audi? Because he's been working on Audi since 1976, because he has the equipment, because he gives a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all his work. If you have a problem with an Audi, you need an Audi specialist, because they're ahead of their time. They're way ahead of their time. They are the Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche. They are the leaders of electronics and the leaders of engineering. So they are very well put together machine. They're ahead of their time electronically, mechanically. I mean, with all the cars that you have nowadays, self-opening, self-closing. If you're in the city of Newport Beach and you need help with an Audi, you come to the right place. I want you to give us a call, 714-375-2661. Call us with any of your questions. We have been working on Audi since 1976, me personally. Thank you for watching the video. Call me with any of your questions.